Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix mic not working on PC with simple and easy to follow steps. I'm going to be doing this on Windows 11, but if you're on Windows 10, don't worry, you can still follow along. So, without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. Before going any further, we need to confirm that our microphone is selected. Right-click the sound icon, then select Sound Settings. Scroll down to Input, then ensure that the correct microphone is selected. Scroll down to the Advanced section, then select All Sound Devices. Click the microphone here and ensure that the volume is not muted. Open up the application you want to record in, then go to the mic settings. Ensure that your microphone is selected and that the volume is not muted. Press the Windows key and I on your keyboard. Scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Scroll down. Select Recording Audio and run. The troubleshooter will detect any issues with your microphone and in some cases, even fix them. Right-click the sound icon, then select Sound Settings. Scroll down to the Advanced section, then select More Sound Settings. Go to the Recording tab, click your microphone, click Set as Default, click Apply, then click OK. If you're on Windows 10, click the Windows Start icon, then type Control Panel. In the Control Panel, select Hardware and Sound. Select Sound, Recording tab, your microphone, click Set as Default, click Apply, then click OK. Press the Windows key and I on your keyboard. Select Privacy and Security. Scroll down to App Permissions. Select Microphone. Ensure that microphone access is turned on. Here you can also select which applications have access to your microphone. If your microphone still isn't working after following the steps in this video, unplug it and try using it on another device. If the microphone still doesn't work, it's an indicator that it is faulty and needs to be replaced. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.